Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue for pies. First, you'll want to carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. Even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent your meringue from whipping properly. Make sure your mixing bowl and beaters are perfectly clean and grease-free. Having everything prepped, like your sugar and cream of tartar measured, will make the process much smoother. Once your egg whites are separated, start whipping them on a medium speed. They'll begin to get foamy, which is your cue to start adding the sugar. Slowly incorporate the sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, allowing it to dissolve as you go. Keep whipping until the mixture is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks that stand up on their own when you lift the beaters. Now that your meringue is perfectly whipped, it's time to top your pie. Gently spread the meringue over your cooled pie filling, making sure to seal it to the crust all around the edges. This helps prevent shrinking. Bake your pie at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it until the peaks are beautifully golden brown, indicating it's cooked through. To avoid common meringue issues like weeping, always ensure your pie filling is completely cool before adding the meringue. For a meringue that doesn't shrink, remember to spread it all the way to the crust, creating a good seal. These small steps make a big difference in your final result. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen spotless after all that baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.